What is factory design pattern? Imagine a car factory. You don't build the car parts yourself, instead, you place an order, and the factory produces the car for you. The factory design pattern works the same way in code. It helps you delegate the creation of objects to a factory class. Here's a basic example of a factory pattern in Java. We have a shape interface with classes circle, square, and rectangle. The shape factory class decides which object to create based on the input. Use this pattern where you need to create multiple related objects. In this example, you can create different shapes like circles, squares, and rectangles using the factory pattern. This way, you can manage object creation without tightly coupling your code. It helps you manage object creation efficiently, keeps your code clean, and supports open-closed principles. Thanks for watching.